In this EXModel tutorial, we'll talk about project sketches. As you can see, we have already created a sketch from the slice at this height. Now, if I want to create another sketch at a different height, first I'll go to the 2D Sketch tool. I will adjust the slicing plane to the height that I want. Then I'll hit the Create button. As you can see, the sketch from our previous sketch will show as well. If I uncheck the sketch, it will disappear. With the previous sketch checked, I can snap the points into the previous sketch. And if I make the previous sketch invisible, I will still be able to see the sketch that I made on this layer. There's another tool called Project the Other Visible Sketches. It will project the sketch from previous layer or the checked layers onto the current layer. And if I click yes, the previous sketch will be projected on this layer. If I have this unchecked, I will still be able to see the sketch from the previous layer, and since it's projected onto this layer. Then I can make modifications based on the previous layer. In this way, I can create different sketches, but with the previous one being projected onto the next one to create a stacked sketches that can help with extrude surfaces or do any modifications.